Okay, YouTubers, let's get into focus here. The mileage on this car says 58,000, and I'm guessing these are the original plugs. That comes out gapped at 47, yeah, 47 hundredths or whatever the heck that is. That's probably the one that came with it when it was built. This is the new replacement. It's an NKG, and that says Fiat on it. I put some never sees around there, and these new ones are gapped at a little under 30. Where are we here? Yeah, a little under 30, 28, 26 is what it called for in whatever the book is. And the first trip to the parts store, I got some auto lights, but they had a bigger socket that will not fit in this teeny tiny hole. You gotta have the smaller diameter socket. And this spark plug socket's so rusty I can't even read what size it is, but it's got the rubber thing in there to put it in. So we'll reinstall this here. We'll slip that down there, spin it in till it's hand tight. And I'm sorry I haven't been putting out videos. I've been so darn busy lately. We got a torque wrench here. It says for 12 foot-pounds. You don't want to over tighten the stuff. But you'll hear it. You'll hear it there. Feel that click and snap? That means it's tight enough. You don't want to over tighten it or breaking it when you got to take it out. All right, where's the next part? We're going to put this rubber jobber back in there. So I'm giving it a spray of brake cleaner on here, getting the outer stuff wiped off. And this old spark plug's got a little bit of the dielectric grease on there. Oh, that's one of the old ones. I gotta get one of the new ones. New ones, dummy. There's a new one. You can see the difference. Where the heck did I put it? Anyway, I slap a little never sees around the threads here. Keep it down below the electrical jobber. This has got a little dielectric grease on the end. I'm kind of reusing that or rubbing it off onto here. Oh, I already put it in the hole. Where the heck am I? Have another beer, Randy. Have another beer. This turned into a 4-beer aggravating job. I think I torqued it, didn't I? I'm talking to myself. All right, that's been torqued in there. I'm embarrassed. All right, you put this back on here. There's a hole that lines up. You press it down. I'm gonna find my 10mm socket and bolt. Okay, that's got never sees on it. That's the 10mm. and we put it back in here. Spin that down. Don't over tighten it. You don't want to snap anything off or you're in deep doo-doo. I'd say that's good. It's down there. It's tight. Gotta plug that back in. Give it a good shove. And this is the tricky part. Since I broke the plastic thing, I want to stick this piece in here, the broken piece in first. Yeah, get on the right one, Randy. All right, it went in there and it clicked, so that should hold. So we'll get this other piece in that side and we're good to go. Come on, get in there, you little, oh man, these, come on, oh man, that snapped, son of a bitch. You dirty Italian bastard, you. Get in there. Come on. Please, Lord, help me get this piece in my car here. All right, now we're stuck. Now we're stuck. We'll get the bent needle nose and see if we can shove it in there with that. Oh, I probably put it in upside down. That's the problem. Okay, it bends that way. Have another beer when you're working on your car, dummy. All right, stick that in there. Come on, get in there. Get. All right, you got to put it in right side up. All right, it clicked. It clicked. Should be locked in there. You got to roll with the punches, YouTuber. God bless the YouTubers and anybody that bought one of these things. I'm out. One more plug to go.